All right, fifth graders, today is actually going to be a really fun game in math. So, hopefully, you've already done that problem set. Your target for today is that I will be able to find points on a coordinate plane and put points at the right spots on a coordinate plane. If you want to go ahead and do some fluency practice, pause these fluency slides, copy down the problems, and answer. There's a fluency grid for you to identify the parts of the coordinate grid and then naming coordinates on coordinate grid. We did our application problem already this morning. And they did it a little bit different than I did it, so I just want to go over with you, okay? So each dimension of each large box is 2 times each dimension of the small box. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So the volume of the large box is 8 times as great as the small box. So when I did mine, I did a lot of math, okay? I did a lot of multiplying, and then I did division at the end. Well, guess what, you guys? You did not have to do that. This is me learning something new right along with you, okay? I didn't even think about this. So each dimension of each large box is 2 times each dimension. Okay? So that 10 inches height is 20 inches on the other box. 7 inches width, it's 14 inches on the large box. 16 inches long, 32 inches on the large box. So 4 times 8 is 32. So 32 boxes will equal the volume of 4 large boxes. 32 small boxes. Interesting, interesting. So today, for your concept development, you guys get to play Battleship. You get to play Battleship, you guys. Yes, so fun. So exciting. So you need your a grid sheet for you, and you also need a grid sheet for somebody else that you're going to play with. You are going to create both of their grids, okay? You need a 2 different color markers, one for hits, one for misses. And then you need some type of like folder to place in between players, okay? So you will make the grids for both players. You will name the x-axis and the y-axis. They need to be the exact same. So on here, they only go to 3. You can make one that goes up to 10. You can make one that goes up to 20. However big you want, okay? Then, after you make your grid, you're going to give both grids. You're going to give one of the grids to your other partner. They will create their battleships. So you have to have at least 5 ships on your grid. Okay, so if you have a bigger grid, maybe you guys decide that you want to do 7 ships. But you guys both have to have the same. Okay, and these are your ships. You need an aircraft carrier, which is 5 points long. You need a battleship, that's 4 points, a cruiser, that's 3, a submarine, that's 3, and a patrol boat, that is 2. So you can see that on the picture next to, on the left-hand side. With your opponent, you're going to choose a unit length and fractional unit for your coordinate plane. So this is the setup like I told you. I want you to create both of the coordinate planes, okay? Then how to play Battleship. Again, this is in your problem set, so if you want to refer back to this, you can. Players take turns firing one shot to attack enemy ships. On your turn, call out the coordinates of your attacking shot. Record the coordinates of each attack shot. So I would say 1, 2. Okay? And you'd look at your grid 1, 2. And if there's nothing there, you would say miss, and you'd mark the miss. You'd mark where they miss. If they hit something, you say hit, and you just mark that one dot. Don't mark all of them. Okay, they have to hit each ship as many points as they have. So for the aircraft carrier, they have to hit it all 5 times in order to sink that ship. Okay, so your opponent will check their grid. If the coordinate is unoccupied, your opponent says miss. If you named a coordinate occupied by a ship, your opponent says hit. Mark each attempted shot on your enemy ship grid. Mark a X on the coordinate if they say miss. Mark a check mark on the coordinate if they hit. On your opponent's turn, if he or she hits one of your ships, mark a check mark on the coordinate of your ship's grid. Okay? The first player to sink all of the ships win. Okay, so here's the coordinate plane on your problem set. You can make a copy of this. You can redraw your own, but you do need those attack shots. You're going to record all of those attack shots that you see there. Okay, so this is just to help you. So this is lesson 4, problem set. So you can do it, like I said, on your problem set, and then maybe cut this paper in half. But both players do need that attack shots. And then you need to record your attack shots. Or you can do it on that grid booklet that we gave you. That's probably the best, just because the papers are a little bit bigger. Up to you. Have fun with this today, you guys. This is going to be awesome. And then you will be doing your exit ticket. And it has to do with the battleship. So enjoy. Have a great day.